Hi everybody, I'm Juhee and I'm a freshman and I live here in Sawtell. Come do a tour with me. So as soon as you walk in our front door, you are in our common room. This is where all of our house meetings happen. Every Sunday we have coffee hour. And all the way over here, this is where our house chairs sit. And this is our iconic Betty and Moo. They were found in a dumpster in Albany, and then people who used to live here a few years ago brought it, and it's our main piece of decoration. At first, I was a little weirded out by it, but she's really cute. They're really cute, and it makes Sawtell a lot more homey, I feel like. So here also, a lot of the people I've seen a lot of people build puzzles, and so this is the little puzzle corner in Sawtell. It's really nice. And right over here is the door to the third floor. This is what we call the up quad. So there are 3 floors in the 70s houses, and this is the third one. And so it's of 4 individual rooms, and all of them share one bathroom at the end of the hall, and they have a really nice view. You can't really see it from here, but on the other side, you can see a really nice view, and they have really good, like, golden hour at the end of the day. So let's head back downstairs. So this is the main floor, the second floor. And all the way over here, we have our main hallway, which leads us downstairs. But there are 4 little smaller hallways over here with a bunch of doubles and singles. But we'll head down this way. And over here is our kitchen. I personally believe that we have the best kitchen on campus. It's the most modern and it's pretty big. Our house is a really quiet house, so usually it's pretty chill. But the big thing in Sawtell is that the baking club meets here every week, and so usually this table is full of sweet goods. It's really nice. And all the way over here, we have our laundry room. We have 1 washer and 1 dryer, and it's really nice because it doesn't really give a lot of problems. At first I was like, 1 washer and dryer, but it's good. We don't go into a lot of confusion because of it. And it's also free, which is really nice. Here are our quiet hours. Some houses have quiet hours, some don't. Because Sawtell is a pretty chill house, we have moments of silence. And over here is one of the common bathrooms. So each bathroom, actually all of them are a little different, but my bathroom has 2 shower stalls and 1 toilet stall. Some of them have 2 and 2. It really depends on the structure of the house. But yeah, and if students want to use the cubbies, we can also use the cubbies over here. And so now for the moment that you've probably been waiting for the house tour, welcome to my room. Welcome to Studio North. This is a typical triple in a 70s house. It's actually a double triple. One of my roommates moved out in the beginning of the term. But yeah, so the triples in 70s houses come with the usual bed, dresser, closet, table, but it also comes with a sofa and a common table, which is really nice. This is my side of the room. I lofted my bed, so she's high, she's tall, and so we have a lot of storage space underneath. And yeah, everyone decorates the way that they want here. It's really nice, and I don't really have a view, but it's a nice little corner. And yeah, so let's head back up the stairs. By the way, this is our back door. And we're back to where we started. Thank you for joining me in this house tour. Hope you like Sawtell. Bye!